Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for OnePay. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you heard about the OnePay app. How do you actually go ahead and sign up with OnePay? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first things first, we're going to go hop onto the App Store, click on search, and you're going to search for OnePay on the App Store. So the OnePay app should be this blue icon that you see right over here. Afterwards, once it's installed, click on Get Started with OnePay. And from here, it's going to ask you for your phone number. So we have some blurred information here. So simply just type in your phone number. Next, it's going to give you a verification code. Next, it's going to ask you what brings you here. So either OnePay Cash or Cash Rewards card. So we're going to input OnePay Cash. Next, it's going to ask you for your name. So again, we have more blurred information here. Here, it's going to ask you for your contact information and home address. So simply just put that in. Next, it's going to ask you for the last 4 digits of your SSN. So again, more blurred information. Now, once you enter your date of birth and your SSN, it's going to tell you to kind of wait so that it can actually set your account up. Next, it's going to ask you to create a passcode. Next, it's going to ask you to get paid up to 2 days early, where you can add direct deposit or not now. And there you have it. You've now signed up for OnePay. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign up for OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.